Okay, so this video is really just to show Imran the timing on these sorts of, this is a hyperlinked PDF, so I will show you the timing. I have learnt to be careful when you're holding the pen, it's sending information to the device. So if we want to flick around, I'm going to remove the pen and just use my fingers. So if we go home, again, I'm going to just click on it that way. You can see how long it takes. If I click on the 4th day of self-awareness, that took 2 seconds. If we go back to home, 1, 2, sometimes you have to click more than once. 1, 2, 3. We can go to reflect and listen. I think I'm going to just use my little finger because sometimes it just does that. Go home. I'm just showing you the timings, how long it takes to get page 1, page 31, to have a look at, let's have a look at the big picture. This is where all the big picture is. You can get to your good thoughts for the day, and then you can go back home. So that's the timing on that. I'm not sure if that works for you, Imran, but that's how long it takes. If we go to day 7, that's more or less the timing on a PDF. Now, back to page 15. We're going to show our controls. I'm going to hop out of the book. That's how long it takes. A notebook I made, I'll show you, I just made it with 5 pages. You can just go to each page. This is a notebook without hyperlinks, okay? So I don't know if that's too slow, too fast. So this is just a notebook without hyperlinks, and that's what I was saying to you. With hyperlinks, the R2 has to process more information, whereas when you've just got pages like that, that's pretty fast. See, sometimes it just doesn't. I find my little finger is most effective. And then go back to there, go back to the heading, out of the book. So that's a little bit on the timing on my device for the R2.